Okay, so we have quick update for Skyhub. Small improvements. One of them is now we have the streets in the satellite view. So if I click satellite view and we go closer, we can see all the streets. And this is settings for map box, so much easier to navigate this way. I still prefer the dark mode because it's much more cooler, but the satellite mode is much more useful, I think. So let's try to crash the drone. So here we have some obstacles and I will right click and I fly and I'm crashing the drone. So the simulation works. Next step to make some simulated slam and obstacle avoidance